Hello guys, this is Sky and welcome to my channel. So today, I'm gonna eat my Grand Ice Cream Special Strawberry from Dan Eric's here. Ta-da! Wow, let's eat. Wait, I'm gonna put it here. Then I'm gonna eat it here. I'll show you inside of it. Wow, amazing strawberry. Okay, let me try it in 3, 2, 1, go. Good. It tastes like cheese, but it's strawberry. It yummy, right? I buy this. It's only 17 pesos. Not 17, but 22 pesos. La 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 la. Strawberry champagne all night. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Kailangan ko to maubos para sakto sa video. Sarap kumain ng Dan Eric's. Ako lang mag-isa dito sa kwartong ito. Pero ito, kwarto to ng kuyas ko. Tingnan nyo, spoon. Parang gusto ko pa nga bumili nito kasi ang sarap talaga. Pero ang pinakagusto ko sa Dan Eric's is ang cookies and cream flavor. Kasi gusto ko may halong cracker na chocolate. Try nyo to guys. First time ko tikim ng strawberry ice cream sa Dan Eric's. Masarap pala. Wait. Tingnan niyo to guys. Unti na lang, diba? Uubusin ko to. Kasi sayang naman, binuksan mo na, hindi mo uubusin. Look at me. Faster eating. Sarap. Unti na lang, di ba? Kaya, wait. Ubos. Ang sarap nito, guys. Bili lang kayo kung may Dan Eric sa inyo. Okay. Bye-bye. Give a big thumbs up, like, and share. Ha ha ha. Bye-bye.